one. Hey guys, we're gonna
We're
be doing a fidget spinner video. You can't see the fidget spinners. So what we're gonna do
This is my fidget spinner, and that's his. This is mine. It's very cool.
This one's an LED. He's just got a metallic one.
Yep.
That's normal. This one lights up. Just so you know, for your safety, they do have lead poison in them.
Yeah.
So if you do have these,
and it could hurt it. If you put it up to your eye, it could pop an eye out if it's fast enough.
Lead poison, I don't want you guys really playing with these because it's got lead poison. But if you really like them, or you just can't stop using them,
you can
use them. But just giving you a warning that they do.
Okay, we're gonna get right to the video, Sam.
So this is an LED. LEDs don't last long. They will go out. I'm fine with them going out. They have this one feels like it's got nothing in your hand. Like literally. It feels like there's nothing in your hand.
Can I try yours?
Yep. This is his. It's a metallic. It's got a nice spin. This one you can feel because it's pure metal.
Yeah.
These bearings.
It doesn't even feel like it.
These are not the proper bearings. No, they are actually the bearings. If you do have the skateboard bearing ones, you can do this. Like flip it with your finger and then it can go in there.
Dude, yours actually, you can kind of feel it. Like it's not even heavy.
So I do have, he has some at his house.
Yeah, I only have one. I brought this one here though.
Yeah. He's actually got two.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop, cause I'm ready. Whoop, whoop. Disco party.
No, let me go. Hey guys, if you have a fidget spinner, can you do this with it? Not touching it. Bouncing on your thumb.
Or your two fingers.
Or your two fingers.
I got two ripping. Ooh, it looks so good on camera, right?
Yeah.
It's really good on camera. It's not as good as what it looks like in real life. Whoop.
Okay, we're just gonna get right to the video, right, man?
I think we should end.
No!
We've already got to the video with the fidget spinners. You tell them about that one.
Well, this one, but that one, you can't really feel anything, just like he said. But this one, it's metal. And it's pretty heavy.
This one, it's pure plastic. The LEDs, if you get them from 7-Eleven, the LEDs on there crack really easily if you push them hard.
Yeah.
If you can show us a picture of your really cool fidget spinners, like say those square ones that Dan TDM did a video. Yeah, that square one. He did get some LEDs.
Fight!
Oh, dude. Let me spin it up.
Time, man!
Tie. That's how idiots spin their fidget spinner, not like idiots.
That's how idiots spin their fidget spinner.
I know, we're like both idiots that spin in them.
Yeah! Mine's still spinning! Mine's still
Oh my god, my finger! My
middle finger! My middle finger!
So I think we're gonna end it here, guys.
Yeah. My middle finger!
Spin your fidget spinner, dude.
I don't think I can with this hand. I don't have to do it with my left hand.
Bye, guys.
Ow, my middle finger hurts.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you in the next video.